Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my 500 square foot apartment in Carroll Gardens. Come on in. I live in the apartment with my partner Stacey and our cat Savannah. I would say my style is comfortable and clean with enough space to think but to be creative. That's true at Soapwalla as well. We have a good amount of space so that we can sort of move things around. I'm a very tactile person, so I need that in my house as well. Soapwalla is a natural skincare company. I founded it really out of my own need. I have systemic lupus, which is an autoimmune illness. And really that's just a fancy way of saying that your body gets confused and your cells start attacking themselves, thinking they're foreign bodies. I started making skincare products out of a need. I couldn't find anything on the market that I could use. So I realized at one point, if I couldn't find it, I had to make it. As you can see, I have a million plants. They bring a lot of light and joy into my life. But also there's a real health element to it as well. Plants are very good at filtering air, and since I have pretty weak lungs, there's also a health reason for me to have so many plants around. So this is our renovated bathroom. This little sake cup that's got a plant cutting in it right now, that comes from our next door neighbor at Soapwalla. And it's really nice to have sort of a co-worker's piece in the bathroom. So this is a little DIY project that Stacey and I made to sort of house Savannah's kitty litter area, so she had a nice bathroom area as well. And then this is a painting that our friend Albert Sharp did a few years before he died. On our bed is a quilt from the 1930s that we got from a shop a few years ago, and is very similar to some of my great-grandmother's quilts that I have. So one of the biggest challenges of living in a pre-war apartment, most of the work that you do is behind the scenes. So it's under the floor, behind the walls, above the ceiling. Mold is something that, with lupus, my lungs are really affected. So when there's an issue with mold, not only can I not participate, I actually have to move out of the apartment. There are safety measures that you have to take when embarking on home renovation projects that you may not otherwise have to think about if you're perfectly healthy. The roof deck is my sanctuary. Like, it really makes the city feel manageable when, when it's at its most overwhelming. I feel so lucky that we have that space, and also really proud that we built it out as much as we did. Like, we brought up steel beams, we brought up wood, we hand-built planters and a trellis and fencing along, and filled it with plants. It's really our little slice of heaven. That really helps infuse the apartment with, you know, good feelings and good memories. Having the things around us that evoke good feelings really helps the space feel like home.